Aloha and welcome to KTA's Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Alyssa Moreau, and today we're going to make sweet potato slices with Gochujang Glaze. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Slice the sweet potato in half-inch slices, then crosshatch, keeping sure to not cut all the way through. I use 2 chopsticks on either side as a buffer. Place on a parchment-lined baking sheet and baste with some sesame oil and a bit of salt. Bake for 30 minutes or until soft when poked with a toothpick. While baking, make the glaze by mixing the gochujang sauce, light miso, 1 tablespoon sesame oil, rice vinegar, and honey together in a small bowl. Whisk to combine and thin with water if needed to create a glaze consistency. When done, remove potato slices from oven and using a basting brush, cover with the glaze and top with sesame seeds. Return to the oven for 5 more minutes. To serve, transfer to a serving platter, top with sliced green onion, and have extra sauce on the side. For this recipe and more, please visit kta superstores.com/recipes.